Are you tired of your garden looking boring? Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm the OCDS Chick. Today I'm going to show you how I plant Swiss chard. The most beautiful and easy to grow green out there. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need Swiss chard seeds or seedlings, a trowel or something similar, a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, though they can handle partial shade, rich, well-draining soil mixed with compost for added nutrients. Alright, let's get our soil ready. Swiss chard loves fertile, loose soil. If you're planting in a raised bed like me or in a pot, make sure it's at least 8 inches deep, as Swiss chard has a deep tap root, so you'll want to be sure that the plant has room to grow. Fill it with a high-quality potting mix and compost. Now for the fun part, planting. Swiss chard seeds are actually a cluster of multiple seeds. No wonder they're so big. So don't be surprised if more than one seed sprouts. If so, thin them out later. Sow your seed about 1/2 to 1 inch deep. And 2 to 6 inches apart. Gently cover seeds with soil and lightly pat it down. Watering the seeds lightly but thoroughly to help them germinate. If you don't have any fancy tools, use your fingers. No excuses, we don't always have to go out and buy things to garden. Pro tip, if you're having trouble getting your seeds to germinate, try soaking them in water first. In about 2 weeks' time, your seedlings should look something like this. And this is the end result. Start with the outer leaves first. Swiss chard is a cut and come again crop, which means you can harvest it over and over again. It's important to harvest regularly to encourage the plants to grow more leaves, giving you a continuous supply all season long. So there you have it, a stress-free guide to growing Swiss chard. I hope you found this video helpful in some way. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it! Thanks for watching.